Are you curious about the tarot and its many mysteries?
Welcome to the Tarot Talk Podcast for everyone who's ever been intrigued by the mysterious and beautiful world of the tarot.
We cover a wide range of topics and different ways in which tarot can be used, from personal introspection and spiritual growth
to business, career, and love advice, and answering your burning questions. Our goal is to provide listeners with a comprehensive understanding of the tarot. Whether you're a skeptic or a believer, we welcome you to join in this journey of discovery and exploration with your lovely host, Maria Abranica.
Hi, hello guys. Welcome to my new podcast channel. I'm so excited. This channel is dedicated to helping you develop your skills in tarot reading. So if you heard about tarot, by providing guidance, insights, and knowledge about the practice. Okay, so I'm a practitioner. I'm a practitioner. Ooh, that was that. It's a thunder. Oh, it's thundering. I'm sorry, guys. The weather is not so nice here. Okay, so now my aim in this podcast channel is to create a safe and inclusive space for everyone interested in tarot reading, okay, regardless of their level of experience. You know, if you're a beginner or you're an experienced tarot reader or you're a psychic, it doesn't matter. But if you are experienced tarot reader, you are always welcome to come and join, and I want to invite you for an interview so that you can share more about your experience and teach other people, especially me, who wants to learn more about tarot and, just getting started. Through the podcast, we will explore various aspects of tarot reading, such as card meanings, spreads, symbolism, and techniques. Ooh, so exciting. So we will also discuss how to approach tarot reading from spiritual perspective and how to integrate it into your journey in life to gain greater self-awareness and understanding. Join us on this journey of self-discovery and empowerment through the wisdom of the tarot. Okay, so let's start. I want to have a little bit of introduction about what is tarot. So now here is a short history about tarot. Just a short description. So the origin of the tarot cards are somewhat obscure, but they are believed to have originated in northern Italy during 15th centuries. It is thought that the first tarot decks were used for playing games rather than for divination or fortune telling. So these early decks were similar to standard playing cards with 4 suits and a set of chord cards, but also included in additional 22 trump cards that known as Major Arcana. So over time, the use of tarot cards evolved to include divination and fortune telling. The symbolism on the cards was interpreted in various ways: present, past, future. Today, tarot cards are widely used for divination and are popular among people interested in spirituality, self-discovery, and personal growth. So there are many different types of tarot decks available, each with its own unique symbolism and style. So while tarot cards are not scientifically validated method of divination, they still continue to be a valuable tool for many people seeking guidance and insight into their lives. So, tarot cards are a deck of cards that typically contain 7 to 8 cards, divided into the major arcana and the minor arcana. The major arcana consists of 22 cards that represent significant archetypes such as the Fool, the Magician, the Priestess, the World, and so on. And we will discuss that and learn each card on the next episode. So the minor arcana consists of 56 cards that are further divided into 4 suits, like wands, cups, swords, and pentacles, and each with its own set of court cards. Tarot cards are used for divination and to gain insights into a person's past, present, and future. The cards also are typically laid out in a specific pattern or known as a spread, what we call spread, and then interpreted based on the position of the cards and their symbolic meanings. While some people believe that tarot cards have mystical or supernatural powers, others view them as simply a tool for self reflection and personal growth. But there is no scientific evidence to support the use of tarot cards for divination or fortune telling. But many people find them to be a valuable tool for exploring their own thoughts and emotions. Okay, so now let's see what tarot card can do into our daily life. Well, tarot cards can serve a variety of purposes in our daily lives. Some people use tarot cards as a tool for self reflection and personal growth. They may draw a card or do a reading to gain insight into a specific situation or to gain better understanding of themselves. Others may use tarot cards for divination, which involves using the cards to gain insight into the future. And tarot readings can also provide guidance and direction, helping individuals make decisions and navigate life challenges. So, tarot can also serve as a tool for meditation and mindfulness. This is the act of just shuffling the cards, then drawing a card and contemplating its meaning. It can be a way to connect with the present moment and cultivate a sense of calm and inner peace. So those are the things that the tarot card can do into our daily lives. So overall, the way that tarot is used in daily life can vary greatly depending on the individual and their beliefs and intentions, right? Some people may find that tarot is a powerful and transformative tool, while others may not resonate with it at all, right? So, for those who use tarot for self reflection and personal growth, the cards can serve as a mirror that reflects back to us our inner thoughts, feelings, and beliefs. So, when we draw a card or do a reading, we may see aspects of ourselves that we hadn't recognized before. These can help us to identify areas where we may want to focus our attention and work on improving, right? But for those who use tarot for divination, the cards can provide insight and guidance into a particular situation or question. Tarot reading also can be used to gain clarity and perspective, helping us to make decisions with greater confidence and clarity. Well, in terms of meditation and mindfulness, the process of shuffling the cards, drawing a card, and contemplating its meaning can be a way to cultivate presence and awareness in the moment. So, these can help us to connect with our inner selves and to develop a greater sense of inner peace and calm. So, it's important to note that while tarot can be a powerful tool, it is not a substitute for professional guidance or advice. If you are facing serious issue or problem, it is always best to seek the help of a trained professional. And that's it for today's introduction to our brand new podcast series, Tarot Talk. We hope you're as excited as we are to delve into the world of tarot, explore its history and symbolism, and discover how it can help and gain insight and guidance into our daily lives. So, thank you so much for tuning in, guys. Until next time, and may the cards be ever in your favor. Bye for now.